First come in the boats, obviously you want to check the oil and you have to turn the battery on. So to check the oil, this is the engine compartment. Now you grab hold of this very, very firmly because this takes a lot of force to lift it up. And the same with closing it. It'll want to slam shut, so you have to have a whole grip tight, really good tight grip. All right, here's the oil, so check the oil. I just ran it, so it should be usually on the high side from what I see. Yeah, it's still slightly high, but as I just ran it. So just make sure it's above the, I don't know if you can see that. There's a line right there. It says safe. Just make sure you're above that safe. And I've never had a leak, so shouldn't be a problem. Alright, while you're in here, turn the battery on. So now, hopefully get the camera, this will make sense. So I'm going to turn the camera around, it's kind of facing forward, and you'll see a orange, see that orange knob right there? So you want to flip it over to the 1, and you'll hear the blower turn on as soon as I do it. Alright, so the blower turns on, means the battery is connected. And you always want to run the blower before you start the engine all the time. So the blower's on, and you come over, and the key is kept in this compartment, in this tote. Here it is right there. So this little guy. And it's the key that's got the teeth on both sides. And there's a couple keys. This one will work also. Don't know what that one's for. And then this is for these keys for the locker. The China, that's for the locker. But keys you want the teeth on both sides. You put it in. Get the beep. There's a systems check, and you can crank it. And the beep just means everything is working right, and that's starting. As far as the radio, there is a aux cable below here, right here. If you want to plug in to a headphone jack on a radio, on a phone or something, so you have tunes, but this is usually stuck right in here. So just reach underneath there and you'll find it. To turn the stereo off, there's a button that says source off. Hold that in and you'll notice that you'll see everything turn off. Boom, and everything just turned off. So turn it on, press source. Everything's on, and then you may need to change the inputs. Remember. Oh, so just hit the source again. Now that's a tuner, which you don't get any station. No, just all static. Source again. That's the aux. So that'll be auxes for the iPhone or a phone with the head jack. And that's everything off. So I'll leave it on aux. I'm not sure if it'll be on there when you turn on, but to change the source, it's right there. Or right there, source.